Today, I am reviewing the Baseus Picogo AM52 MagSafe power bank. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. After spending the last few weeks putting the Baseus Picogo AM52 through its paces, I have to say that the portable charging market has finally hit a turning point where wireless charging is no longer just a convenience, but a high-performance reality. Most of us have grown accustomed to magnetic power banks being slow, bulky, and prone to overheating, but this specific model feels like a massive leap forward in engineering. The first thing that stands out is the Qi2.2 certification. If you are using the latest iPhone 17 or 16 models, the jump to 25W wireless charging is immediately noticeable. In my testing, getting an iPhone 17 Pro to 50% in just over 30 minutes without ever plugging in a cable is a game changer. For those on slightly older hardware like the iPhone 12 through 15, you're still getting a rock-solid 15W, which is the peak of what those devices can handle. It is rare to find a third-party charger that actually rivals the official Apple battery pack in terms of efficiency, but this one honestly surpasses it in almost every metric. Beyond the wireless capabilities, the raw power delivery from the USB-C port is where the Picogo AM52 truly becomes a versatile tool. We are looking at a 45W wired output. This is significant because it moves this device out of the simple phone charger category and into the territory of being a legitimate emergency backup for tablets and even some lightweight laptops. I was able to boost an iPhone 17 Pro Max from 0 to 65% in 30 minutes flat using a cable. It is incredibly rare to see a magnetic pack this slim that can actually handle high wattage throughput. Furthermore, the recharging speed of the power bank itself is impressive. It supports 30W input, meaning you can refuel the entire 10,000 mAh capacity in about an hour and a half. Heat management is usually the Achilles heel of magnetic charging, but Baseus has handled this brilliantly with an aluminum alloy shell and a graphene inner layer. During long charging sessions, I notice the surface stays remarkably cool, often hovering around 97 degrees Fahrenheit. When you compare that to the industry standard, which can climb much higher, the safety benefits are clear. You don't get that uncomfortable heat transfer to your hand or your pocket, and more importantly, it protects your phone's battery health over the long term. The build quality is another area where this device shines. The magnetic alignment is incredibly precise, and the hold is powerful enough that I never worried about it sliding off in my bag or while I was using the phone. The magnetic panel is coated in a nano-silicone that feels soft to the touch and prevents any scratches on the glass back of the phone. It is also fingerprint resistant, which keeps the premium look intact even after heavy daily use. At only 0.6 inches thick, it maintains a slim profile that doesn't make the phone feel like a brick. For travelers, the 10,000 mAh capacity is the sweet spot. It provides enough energy for nearly 2 full charges on most modern smartphones while remaining well within TSA guidelines for flight safety. It is a dense, high-capacity cell packed into a footprint that fits in a palm. In conclusion, the Baseus Picogo AM52 is a masterclass in modern portable power. It solves the traditional problems of slow wireless speeds and excessive heat while providing enough wired power to handle more than just a phone. Whether you're a power user who needs to keep a laptop alive during a meeting or a traveler who wants the fastest possible wireless snap-and-go experience, this is easily one of the most capable and well-designed chargers on the market today. It feels like a premium piece of tech that actually lives up to the professional-grade specs it promises on the box.